The Coral Reefs is considered one of the most important ecosystems on Earth because they house the great majority of the fishing stock and the great majority of the biodiversity in the sea. This ecosystem is facing a massive defaunation because of the intense human use. Here in Qatar, we are facing exactly the same problem. We need to do something to help this ecosystem to recover. It's our function as marine biologists, as scientists from the Environmental Science Center at Qatar University, to offer alternatives in how to restore the environment. It's really sad, the scenario under the water. The coral reefs and most lives here in the coastal areas are totally destroyed. Most rocks here, they lost the biological functionality. Most corals disappear from the rocks. Here we can see how the marine life is attached to a rock. The marine life in the entire coastal zone of Qatar, it's really jeopardized. We don't have more the coral life that we used to have here. We are trying to offer alternatives in how to recover this ecosystem, how to accelerate this ecosystem restoration. But how can we create new habitats? We need to use artificial reefs. What type of artificial reefs? We need to create some artificial reefs that can hold the water pressure. So they need to have an hydrodynamic shape. And this coral is the one. They have this hydrodynamic shape. So these artificial structures, they can exactly be deployed to grow and create and farm new coral structures. We can easily deploy the artificial reef from a boat. So we can select the place where there is a good water quality. We deploy the big structure like this, and once in the water, this structure, the probiotic concrete, starts to accelerate the recovery process. So we effectively recover the environment and we give the chance for the nature to recover by themselves. So what is the great difference about what we are doing here? We are creating research and development of new technologies to be used in active restoration of coral reef ecosystem. We are beyond the moment of preservation. We are on time for restoring actively this coral reef ecosystem.